informative, lots of hidden messages around all the buildings, and recommend it to everyone. Everybody needs to come.
Yeah.
Children and families need to come here and learn. We've got a lot of information to learn about in the city.
And also big respect to Mark and Charmaine for putting on this tour. Very informative. I've been to Liverpool quite a few times, right, but this time has been the most knowledgeable time of all, and I'd recommend it to everybody who's interested in finding about their culture
And knowing themselves.
and knowing yourselves.
Yeah.
Get on the course, come to Liverpool with Mark and Charmaine. Black History Stories, big up.
Just done the Liverpool tour and Slavery Museum for Black History Studies, and I'd highly recommend it. I think it's information that we should all be aware of, all races, all backgrounds, but especially us as people of colour. Amazing tour, Charmaine's excellent, and I'd highly recommend it to everyone.
I think the tour was amazing. I'm running on 2 hours sleep, and there's not one part of it that I missed. It was informative, it was uplifting, it was an energy boost. I cannot wait to come up here on my own with my friends and show them around and come to the next group intervention and do this again. It is phenomenal. I've learned so much just about the different buildings, my culture, which is necessary, which I needed, and I'm so thankful. So on top of the fact that this was amazing, I am so thankful that this was, brought to me. So thank you.
Very informative tour. The only disappointment was that we didn't have enough time, and we had the whole day. There's so much to take in, so much to learn from, so much to share with other people. I would recommend this without any haste, and I've actually said to the organizer that I would like to do this again, because I feel that there was too much information that was missed out, because she had to put so much into the limited time that we had. The train journey took up part of that time. Excellent tour, excellent, I would recommend it.
Hi, my name is Chris I, singer-songwriter, recording artist, and I'm now on the Maafa tour, which is a very uplifting, educating and eye-opening tour for us. I've learned a lot already about my Black history. I'm still learning, and I have a lot more to learn, because what happened just goes on and on. We cannot stop learning. And this tour is very important for us. So I would advise those who haven't been on the Maafa tour to link up and make it a possibility. There's so much to learn. At the moment now, I'm in Liverpool, and I've learned so much since I came here this morning until this very time. I mean, we do a lot of walking, my feet are tired, but it's worth it, and I will do it again. God bless.